Dear students, today we are going to discuss one more new solid whose shape is just like a ball. You see, such solids we are going to discuss today, and such solids are in the shape of a ball. It looks like a ball, so this is called a sphere. So today we are going to discuss about sphere. Sphere means how is it formed? Now when a circular plate is revolved about its diameter, the solid generated is called a sphere. आमे जमती आगुरु पढ़ी गोटे जदि एटा गोटे रेक्टांगल आकु जदि आरी चारिपटे आमे घुरेबा ताले दिस इज ए रेक्टांगल आकु जदि घुरोचे आमे कौन पाउचे ना सिलिंडर पाउचे. क्लियर नाउ. ठीक सही भली जदि गोटे राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल को आरी चारिपटे if it is revolved about this side then it forms a cone. Similarly, when a circle is revolved about the diameter then it forms a sphere. A sphere has only one face, that is curved face, so it has a curved surface area. Formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is the radius. Sorry, wrong I told. CSA formula is equal to 4 pi r square, and volume formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is only two formula. R is the radius. Clear? If you see the here, these four circles are there to cover the curved face of outer face of a ball. So that's why pi r square, pi r square, pi r square, pi r square, total 4 pi r square. Okay. So then after that you come to suppose a sphere is there, and you see here a sphere is cut yes. Let us see here. I just show you this figure. You see, when a sphere is cut, you see here, it gets divided into two equal parts. Then what will each half be called? It is called a hemisphere. So hemisphere is just like a, you take one lemon, complete lemon, and just cut half, then you will get a hemisphere. So hemisphere looks like this. This is a hemisphere, and it has a face 1, and this is face 2. Face 1 means circle, and this is curved. So it has how many faces? 2 faces. It has 2 faces. One is a circular face, one is a curved face. So So it has two faces, means it has what is the curved surface area of a hemisphere. Curved surface area of a hemisphere means only this part, this cross part I told you, this is called, this is 2 pi r square. Why 2 pi r square? Now because sphere has a 4 pi r square, it's half. So what is its TSA, total surface area? Now total surface area means 2 pi r square. This part you have to add and this part you have to add. What is the area of this one? That is pi r square. So total is 3 pi r square, total surface area. So what is the volume? What is the volume formula? Now volume formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Clear now? So this is the thing you see. What is the chord surface area formula? Now 2 pi r square. What is the total surface area formula? 3 pi r square. What is the volume formula? Now 2 by 3 pi r cube. And based on this 2, 3 formula, we are going to discuss some question. Suppose question number 1. Find the surface area of a sphere whose base radius is 7 centimeter. Answer. So you write here, given that base radius r equals to 7 cm, and you are going to calculate the surface area. Surface area means that is called a curved surface area. So that is the formula is 4 pi r square. Only the one parameter is there, r. So r is already given. So surface area equals to 4 pi r square. So that is equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. 7 7 cancel. 88 into 7. So that is a 616 centimeter square. Hence required surface area is 616 centimeter square. So now move for the second question. Question number 2. Find the radius of the sphere. Find the radius of the sphere whose surface area is 616 centimeter square. से कहूची जे गोटे स्पीयर सरफेस एरिया देइछि 616 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. तुमे तार कौन कैलकुलेट करो ना रेडियस. आंसर. It is given that surface area is equal to 616 centimeter square. Clear? And we are going to calculate the radius. So let the radius be r centimeter. Suppose you consider the radius be RCM. So this 616 we can write 4 pi r square equals to 616. So this implies 4 into 22 by 7 into r square equals to 616. So this implies r square equals to 616, and this is the only denominator, 7 is the only denominator, so that is multiplied, and 4 and 22 numerator, that will be divided, that is 4 into 22. So now you divide here 616, you divide by 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20, 16, 4 4 ja. So that is 154, and a 22 cancel 154, 77. So r square equals to 7 into 7. So this implies r equals to square root of 7 into 7. It is already pair, so that is 7 cm. Hence required radius is 7 centimeter. Clear now? So let us discuss some other questions of a sphere from your exercise. You see here one question example I just you see here one question I just show you here. A hemispherical dome, this question, a hemispherical dome of a building needs to be painted if the circumference of the base of the dome is 17.6 centimeter. Find the cost of a painting it given that the cost of painting is rupees 5 per 100 centimeter square. से कौची गोटे हेमिस्फेरिकल डोम यही भाया अच्छी गोटे हेमिस्फेरिकल डोम गोटे बिल्डिंग अच्छी बिल्डिंग रे हेमिस्फेरिकल डोम ये अच्छी. I may just show you. So like that one dome, one building is there, dome is like this. It is you see the figure here, you see here the figure. If this is the building, here the hemispherical dome, you see this part will be painted. Could you tell me this colored part is the what for the hemisphere? Now this is the called the curved surface area of the hemisphere. We are going to call this is painted na. So this total area is called the curved surface area of a hemisphere. But radius is not given. But what is given here? Now circumference of the base is given. Circumference of the base. What does it mean? Circumference of the base means this line, this curved line. This is called the circumference. A गोलाई लाइन टाको आमे कहूचे कौन ना circumference. Okay. So how to solve it? Given that circumference is equal to 17.6 meter. Let radius of the dome be r meter, because here meter is given. आम रेडियस नेले. सो ये सर्कमफरेन्स टू आम केमी लिखि पारिबा? सर्कमफरेन्स मान ये गोलाई ये टोटल ये गोलाई लाइन को आम केमी लिखु ना दैट इज कॉल्ड द 2 पाई r. सो 2 pi r is equal to 17.6. So now 2 into 22 by 7 into r. 17.6 you convert into fraction. It is a 1 place of decimal. So divide by 10. So r is equal to here 176 numerator. Here numerator 176 and एपटे जे डिनोमिनेटर से न्यूमरेटर हम डिनोमिनेटर हो 7 into 7 by 10 थिला into 2 into 22. So 22 cancel 176. How much? Now this is 8. This 2 cancels 8. How much? Now 4. So now what is the answer? Radius we have. Then if you want to cancel it, then cancel. Then 2 2 ja 2 5 ja. Then r equals to 14 by 5 centimeter. So this is the radius. And you are going to paint this part. You are going to paint it. And this part is not visible because it is fixed. It is on the what? So only this part, that is called the curved surface area. So curved surface area we have to calculate, that is 2 pi r square. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 by 5 into 14 by 5 centimeter square. Now cancel it. This 7 cancels 14, 2. So how much left here now? 2 22 44 into 2. How much? 880 into 14. So now 4 8 ja 32 3 4 8 ja 32 3 35. Then 880 2 13 1232 by 25 centimeter square. So this much curved surface area. So now you are going to calculate the cost of a painting. But rate, what is the rate given? Now 100 centimeter square cost rupees 5. So 1 centimeter square costs rupees 5 by 100. But how much centimeter square? This much. So you write here 1232 by 25 centimeter square cost equals to rupees 5 by 100 into 1232 by 25. Clear? So now just you answer it. Here 5 cancels 25, that is 5. Sorry, it is given. This is meter square. Okay, sorry, this is meter square, but here this is wrong, please. Because here unit is given meter. Sorry, I have taken centimeter, wrong. This is meter and this is meter square, but rate is given, the rate is given centimeter square. So you have to convert into meter square, you have to convert into centimeter square. So how to convert? Just we have to go for meter square, you have to convert centimeter square. So 1232 by 25 into 100 into 100, because meter square means meter into meter square means meter into meter, means meter means 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. So 200 we have to multiply, that is centimeter square. So this 24 cancel it 4. So what is the answer? 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12 to 1 9, 4 9 to 8 00 centimeter square. Clear? So now this much a centimeter square. So you now find the answer. 100 centimeter square costs rupees 5. 1 centimeter square will cost rupees 5 by 100. So how much? This much, 492800 centimeter square will cost rupees 5 by 100 into 492800. So this 00 cancel. Now multiply 4928 into 5. 8 by 4 is 4, 10. So answer is rupees 24640. Hence required cost. For painting is equal to rupees 24,640. So this is the thing. So if you want to go for more question, one exercise, you see here it is number 2. You see, find the surface area of the sphere number 2. Find the surface area of a sphere of a diameter 3.5 meter. Diameter given, आमे surface area calculate करिबा. ताले आमे कोन करिबा? Number 2 third bit. Given that diameter is equal to how much? 3.5 meter. So radius we have to calculate 3.5 by 2 meter. So now it is one place decimal. So now remove the decimal point and multiply 10, that means 20. So 5 7 ja 5 4 ja, so 7 by 4 meter. Then surface area equals to 4 pi r square. So that is 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 4 into 7 by 4. So 7 7 cancel, 1 4 cancel, 2 2 ja 2 11 ja. So 77 by 2. 77 by 2 means you have to convert into decimal. 2 3 ja 6, 17, 2 8 ja 16, 1, then 2 5 ja 0. So that is 38.5 centimeter square. Hence required surface area is equal to 38.5 centimeter square. So this is the answer. So now you will do.